Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Today we are going to take a detailed look at an incredibly cool block in the Questflow platform, quiz and poll. At first glance, it might seem like a duplicate of the familiar Telegram polls, but we've turbocharged it by adding a huge amount of interactivity and gamification. Let's see how it's set up. In the main field, we enter the question text itself. You can easily pull in any dynamic variables here to make your messaging personalized. The text can be decorated with both standard and awesome premium animated emojis. I explained exactly how to add them in one of my previous videos. But that's not all. You can add powerful visual effects, fire, flying likes, or hearts. All of this will be colorfully displayed right in the poll interface and is guaranteed to grab your users' attention. Next, we add the necessary answer options. For those who pick the wrong one, there is a special explanation field, so the person immediately understands their mistake and learns the correct fact. And now for the fun part, a flexible point system. You can automatically award positive points or even deduct points for specific answers. This is the perfect tool for educational training sessions, marathons, quests, or team games. Points can be awarded either to the user personally or to the entire team. By the way, I have a separate tutorial video about the registration block that covers how to group people into teams and assign captains. We've also thought through flexible waiting scenarios. The bot can wait until all team players have answered, or it can record only the very first person to give the correct answer. Poll results can be shown not just personally to the user in the chat, but also automatically published directly into a public Telegram channel. And be sure to check out the 3 attachment icons on the right. This is where the real engagement magic happens. The first icon is the starting media file, an image or video that is sent to the user alongside the question to immerse them in the context. The second icon allows you to attach celebratory media that the person will see if they answer correctly. The third icon, with a broken heart, is a media reaction for an incorrect answer. A consoling video or a funny picture will perfectly soften the blow of a mistake. Believe me, users get absolutely hooked on these interactive scenarios. It incredibly enhances your bot and takes audience engagement to a whole new level. All this beauty is powered by the latest Telegram API. Create stunning quizzes, tests, and polls in just a few clicks. Try this tool in Questflow today and the results will pleasantly surprise you.